Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled quail eggs only way. Crack quail eggs gently, whisk with a pinch of salt and a splash of cream until combined. Heat a nonstick pan, melt butter over low heat, pour eggs, stir slowly with a spatula, folding softly. Cook until large, creamy curds form, remove from heat just before fully set to avoid dryness. Serve warm on toasted bread or with fresh herbs. Whisking technique matters. Use a fork or small whisk and beat until yolks and whites blend, but avoid excessive aeration that makes eggs dry. Add cheese or herbs during the last stir to melt gently into curds. Low and slow cooking preserves creaminess, so keep heat low and be patient, stirring often. Taste and adjust salt at the end. Serve immediately for best texture and flavor. This technique works great whether you cook for one or for a group. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Also, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice and keep your ride smelling fresh, seen in the video. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching this short pause. Your support helps me make more tasty recipes and helpful tips. Now let's get back to the video. Serve suggestions help elevate simple eggs. Top scrambled quail eggs with a pinch of flaky salt, cracked pepper, microgreens, or a drizzle of olive oil for richness. Pair with crusty bread, roasted mushrooms, or a light salad for balance. For make-ahead breakfasts, cook slightly underdone, cool quickly, and reheat gently over low heat to preserve texture. Experiment with spices like smoked paprika or finely chopped chives. These tiny eggs deliver big flavor and impressive presentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.